Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will cover different kinds of operators, that is logical and membership operator. Let us continue with the logical operator. In this logical operator, there are three keywords that are used in operation, and these keywords are AND, OR, NOT. These symbols can be used in conditions as well. And the operator will return true if both operands are true. OR operator will return true if either of operands is true. NOT is used to complement the operand. This will be clear once we see the implementation. Now let us declare two variables here, x and y. Now we are creating the condition using this operator. We know the value of x is 5. Now let us create a condition to check if x is greater than 3 and less than 10. Now creating a second condition to check whether y is greater than 3 or y is less than 4. Creating a third condition, we are using NOT operator. Now in starting and in bracket we are putting a different condition. Although the condition inside the bracket is true, but as we have included the NOT operator outside, this will return the value as false. Basically, NOT operator will complement the result. In third condition, we are trying to check that x is greater than 3 and x is less than 10. Now this condition is false, but this particular statement is not correct. So the false value will be returned in third condition. Now let us try to include this operator in the condition. Now let us include one condition. If x and y values are equal or x is less than y, then print statement should be executed. From both the condition, one condition is true, and we have used OR operator here. So the condition will be executed and the print statement will be executed as well. Now let us execute the program and check the output. As you can see in the output, first condition, second condition are true, while third condition is false. So we are trying to say that x is greater than 3 and x is less than 10, which is not correct, and it is returned as false. Basically, we are complementing the particular condition. In last condition, we have used OR operator, and here one condition is correct. So for that, print statement is executed. Now let us look at the another operator, membership operator. In this operator, we have two symbols, and they are in and not in. Two keywords. Let us look at the practical implementation of the same. I am creating one list here, and I am naming it as a ls1. And I am also adding few elements in the list which are the names of fruits. I am trying to include string. I am trying to include string input here. Now I am trying to check whether a particular element is present in the list or not. So I'll be doing it with the help of in operator. So as you can see that this particular element is not present in the list, so result is returned as false. Similarly, I'm trying to check what is the result that we will observe if we use existing element of the list using in operator. Now let us look at that. And we will also check a different operator, that is not in, which will be useful in case you want to check for a particular element that is not present in the list. Now as you can see that result is observed in true and false. Now, this kind of operators can be used in condition, or we can also use this kind of operators in combining the condition. Thank you.